Have you ever wondered how to quickly identify virulence genes from bacterial whole genome data, without getting lost in complex bioinformatics pipelines? In this video, I'll show you a fast and practical way to do it. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore how VirulenceFinder 2.0 can help you detect virulence factors in bacterial whole genome sequencing data, step by step. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Here, you can choose the species-specific database that you want to compare your genome against. Here, you can adjust the threshold and minimum length based on your analysis needs. At this step, upload either a draft genome assembly or paired end sequencing reads for analysis. Enter your email address to receive a notification when the analysis is completed. When the analysis is complete, an email containing a link to your results will be sent to you. Simply click the link to view your results. Here, you'll see the species-specific database you selected earlier. The identified virulence genes, including sugar toxin genes, are listed here. Click the accession number to view the reference. Kindly ensure you cite this reference when using this web tool. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.